how to buy Brain Frog token. So this token came under the symbol of brain. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's under the screen. It's available there. It's created just in the 7 hours ago and increased by 31,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 92%. That's good. That's mean investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet for that. For example, I will use the Bitkit wallet. Select the Ethereum as a network from here and click on this plus icon. Now after that, paste the token address here, as you can see. Now after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added now. So this is it. Now click on it. After that, click on swap here, switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure you have enough USDT in your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive that token. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Brain token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.